Probably something we're going to do a longer session on. One of our podcasts is the taxation of pilots, aircrew. We've had quite a few pilots come in. We had a couple recently, I think. He was a pilot. She was a stewardess. They were moving from the UK to Spain. We've also even had a couple of employees on super yachts looking at seafarers allowance, haven't
Yeah.
we? Do you want to just talk a little bit about the pilots thing and what people should be thinking about if they're in that industry?
So pilots are a really, I say, interesting bunch. And when I'm saying pilots, I'm also talking about cabin crew.
Crew,
And
yeah.
in as far as it doesn't necessarily just depend upon your domestic UK tax residence position, but also upon the double tax treaties saying, I suppose and the other reason that it's really interesting is because normally when we're looking at people who are leaving the UK, we're looking at the statutory residence test and breaking UK tax residence. Now, if you are an international transportation worker with 6 or more journeys starting or ending in the UK, that automatically knocks out 2 of your automatic tests for residence, which is full-time work outside of the UK and full-time work inside of the UK. So usually we end up with a lot of pilots who maybe, again, with the type of queries we tend to get through are from people who are remaining with their UK-based employer, but are leaving to somewhere from personal reasons. They're relocating to countries outside of the UK, maybe Ireland, Spain, where it's a short journey back into the UK to be able to do their role, and makes things really, I say, interesting and challenging.
It's quite complicated.
Yes.